Recommendation engines feel like magic, but the data structures underneath are surprisingly simple. Let's see how Redis makes them fast enough to compute on every request. Traditional databases struggle to join large interest graphs in real time. Redis keeps everything in memory and offers native set and sorted set operations that make recommendation queries fast enough to run on the fly for every user on every page load. Start by finding users who share a purchase with the current user via set intersection. Then collect everything those neighbors bought, increment a score for each co-occurrence using ZINCRBY, and finally pull the top results with ZREVRANGE. We model each user's purchases as a set, then SINTERSTORE finds items Alice and Bob both bought. We build a sorted set of recommendations by scoring each co-purchased item with ZADD and ZINCRBY and ZREVRANGE. WITH scores returns the top picks. When reviewing a PR, check that intersection is done server-side with SINTERSTORE, not pulled into the app. Watch for KEYS in hot paths, missing TTLs on temp keys, and lists used where sorted sets are needed to preserve score-based ranking. Redis turns recommendation logic into a handful of native commands. Keep the heavy lifting on the server with set intersection and sorted set scoring, expire your temp keys, and avoid KEYS scans, and you'll have sub-millisecond recommendations at any scale.